So the given transformation is this, and its inverse transformation is just cross multiply and get the value of z in terms of w. So you will get this as to be 2 minus iota w over 4w minus iota, right? Please mark this as 1. And now the equation of the real axis. So this is your real axis in the z plane, that is y equal to 0. So what can be the equation? How we get y equal to 0? Yes, if z is equal to x plus iota y and z bar is equal to x minus iota y, if I subtract these two, then I get y equal to 0. Yes, so the equation of real axis is z minus z bar equal to 0. So if you put over here z as x plus iota y minus x minus, that will become positive iota y equal to 0. So these two cancelled out and you get 2 iota y equal to 0, and this is y equal to 0. Yes, so from this equation we get y equal to 0. So the equation of the real axis is z minus z bar equal to 0. So just put this inverse transformation over here, and then we get 2 minus iota w over 4w minus iota minus, and then the conjugate of z, that is 2 plus iota w bar over 4w bar plus iota equal to 0. So this implies in the denominator we get 4w minus iota into 4w bar plus iota, and in the numerator we get this is 8w bar and plus 2 iota, this is minus 4 iota w bar, and this is minus iota square w, that will give us positive w, and then this is minus 8w, yes, okay, let me take in the bracket, this is 8w, and then this is plus 4 iota w bar minus 2 iota, and this will be plus w bar equal to 0. Take this denominator to the other side, and then solving further we get minus 4 iota w bar, and this will become minus 4 iota w bar, that is minus 8 iota w bar, and then we get this is 8w bar, and this will be minus w bar, that is plus 7w bar, and then this w minus 8w will give us negative 7w, and this 2 iota and this is positive 2 iota, that will give us 4 iota equal to 0. Let me multiply with negative sign on both the sides. So we get 8 iota w bar plus 7w minus 7w bar minus 4 iota equal to 0, and then we get 8 iota w bar plus, taking 7 common, this is w minus w bar minus 4 iota equal to 0. Okay, if z is equal to x plus iota y, then this w is equal to u plus iota v, and w bar becomes u minus iota v, and their product w bar will become u square plus v square, right? So I'm writing the product as u square plus v square here. So we get this is 8 iota u square plus v square plus 7 times, if you subtract these two, we get this as 2v iota minus 4 iota equal to 0. Let me divide this 8 iota all over. We get u square plus v square plus 7 by 4 v minus 1 over 2, right? So we get u square plus v square plus 7 by 4 v minus 1 over 2 equal to 0. If you make this equation to be as a perfect square, because I'm having 7 by 4v, so let me make the equation in a perfect square format. So I get this to be as u square plus v plus 7 over 8 square equal to 9 over 8 whole square after making the perfect square. So from here we get center of the circle as 0 comma minus 7 over 8, and the radius of the circle is from here 9 over 8. So this is how we get the center and radius of the circle. This is nothing but the equation of the circle in the w plane, right? Okay. Now to find the point in the z plane corresponding to the center w of the transformed circle. Now what is the center w in the transformed circle? Yes, just now we have calculated the center to be as 0 comma minus 7 over 8, right? 0 is representing the value of u and minus 7 over 8 is representing the value of v, right? We know that w is u plus iota v. So u is 0 and v is minus 7 over 8. So this is equal to minus 7 over 8 iota. So the center w is equal to minus 7 over 8 iota, right? Just put the value of this w over here in the inverse transformation, that is z, which we have marked as 1. So the inverse transformation is 2 minus iota w over 4w minus iota. So just put the value of w over here as w is your center minus 7 over 8 iota. So the corresponding point comes out to be, just putting the value of w, this is minus 7 over 8 iota divided by 4 into minus 7 over 8 iota minus iota, right? So this is 16 plus 7 iota square over 8 divided by, this is minus 7 iota over 2 minus iota, right? So this is, and this becomes 16. Okay, iota square is negative 1. So this is 16 minus 7, that is 9 over 8. And in the denominator we get minus 9 iota over 2. So this will go and this will go by 4 and we get 1 over 4 iota. Hence the required corresponding point z is 1 over 4 iota. This is your answer. Thank you.